We love you, Kevin! Thank you. I love you too. And I love this case full of money. But who's gonna be the lucky person to win it all in our room makeover challenge? How about you?
Me?
Yep, and you. Let's go. Whoa, thank you. Give it up for our contestants. It's a challenge, so let's find out who will have money to spend and who will be broke. Sophia, are you feeling lucky? Let's toss the coin. Looks like it's your lucky day.
No way!
Better luck next time, but that doesn't mean you still can't win. Here you go. Okay, we have our contestants and we have our budgets. It's time to start the challenge. I'm regretting this already. $100? Whoa! Look at all those zeros! Let's get painting.
Hey, what are you doing? This is my side. I need to make a phone call. Hello? Can I place an order? Wow, that's express delivery. Thanks.
Hey, do you have anything for me? Hold on. Let me check. You're gonna have this. That's it?
Oh, this is a box of goodies! Gold paint? Wow! This is gonna look great! It looks so expensive. A little gold shavings will add some sparkle.
Oh, I've no chance. I suppose I better start. Oh, wow.
A quick mix and I'm ready to start. It's not looking as good as I thought it would. Hi, Jared.
Leave me alone, Sophia.
Ha, he's so jealous.
Okay, that's the stars finished. Time to get painting. It's like a bottle of nail polish. It's so small. But it'll have to do. This might take some time.
Phew, this is harder than I thought.
Time to catch up on our contestants. One contestant is working hard, the other is not. Let's go have a chat. How are you feeling? I'm not gonna lie, Kevin. I'm not confident. I need more supplies. Can I have paint? I'll pay for it. Pleasure doing business with ya. It looks like Sophia's getting a workout. I think she could do with some help. Try this. It's getting exciting. I'll leave them to it and we'll be back later on. This is more like it. Look at that action! Now to peel off the stars. I'm happy with this.
Oh, I need this to dry quicker. I did a good job. Wow, it's so shiny. Hey.
I'm watching you. Do you think I'm scared? Who will have the best eye for design?
Hey! Come with me.
No.
Fine. Going once, going twice.
I'll take it all.
Sold to the lady with all the cash.
Thanks.
Please come again. Sold!
Here, take this money.
Hi, I was wondering if you had anything for this amount? I might have something lying around. In the mystery bag. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Bye.
It's like my own private art gallery. I don't understand modern art. Hey, what's in the bag?
Foam noodles? I don't believe it! This is fun. Get your own foam. That's mine. Oh, I know! I'll start by cutting them in half, and I'll attach some LED lighting strips to them. They're so colorful. They'll make a great rainbow. And I'll make clouds by sticking cotton to the end of the foam. Now to test it out. Whoa! It looks amazing!
That's actually quite cool.
And it's so fluffy. After all that hard work, they'll need a rest. It's time to get to bed. Leave my cloud alone. I have an idea. I'll be right back. Ah, this is the life. There must be something in here I can use. Oh! Hey, can I take this? Sure, buddy, but it'll cost you. Oh, wow, $10. It's all yours. Thanks, creepy hobo. This seems like a good deal. I can definitely work with this. It just needs a coat of paint. That should do it. I'll just move it into position. I'll need some more. All that's missing is a pillow. And now I can relax. pretty good, right? Whatever. Bring it in, boys! Special delivery for Sophia. Wow. Take a seat. Wow, this is great. Ow! What is this? Wood? Hey, I have a budget. Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Admit it, you wish you were over here.
Phew, this is heavy. I've got this totally glamorous table, and it'll go right here in the middle. Pretty fancy, huh? Give me the rope, boys. Here you go, Sophia. Huh? Take this. Ready, Sophia? You good? Go!
You're going down.
Bring it on.
You're so weak!
Oh, no you don't!
Give up, Jared! Oh, I have a plan!
Whoa, it tickles! You cheated!
Nah. You can have this rope, loser.
Whoa,
It's so pretty!
it'll look great in my room. Maybe I could use this. I'll start with this log. Then I'll drill a hole into it. I'll make 3 holes around the log. Then I'll varnish it. I'll make sure I apply the varnish evenly. That should do it. Once the varnish has dried, I'll thread rope through the holes. A floating table!
A gold table needs some gold accessories. It looks so classy. I definitely suit this lifestyle.
Here's a bright idea. I mean, we need some lights.
Oh, I should phone Penny. Hello? Hey, it's me. I need your help. Okay, no problem. Wow, I found it. The artifact of San Lorenzo. I hope this works. Steady.
Phew! I did it! Sophia is gonna love this. That doesn't sound good. Oh no! Run! Sophia better pay me well for this! Gotta keep going! Gotta keep going! Oh, made it! That was close! Here you go.
I appreciate it.
Wow. Anytime.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
That's pretty nice. And it gives me an idea. Where's he going?
It belongs right here.
Just what I need. Let's get you back to the room, huh?
Huh?
Whoa, you don't see that every day. I'll put you right here. And now for some body art. This is gonna look great. I'll run a wire through here and attach a light bulb. Ta-da! It's different, but it looks amazing! No way! I'll give the bulb a quick polish. And that's it!
Hey, Jared, I'll trade you. I'll give you this priceless lamp.
That? No chance.
How about now?
There's not enough money for this. I love the wind in my hair. It's time to get a carpet. Hey, what's going on here?
Ooh, that jacket is so soft. I want it. Here, take this money.
Oh, I love this show.
Thanks. Wait a minute. How did… Never mind. I'll take that one too.
Be my guest.
How many jackets do you have?
I'm going shopping.
I guess he likes pink. I'll lay the jackets on the floor. I'll make a cozy rug. Oh, that feels good.
Oh, it really does.
What are you doing? Shoot! Get out of here!
Oh, you're mean. Fine, I'll make my own rug. And I have just the thing. I'll lay the towel flat and cut a section from it. I'll do the same with different colored towels. Then I'll lay the strips on top of each other and sew them together. Careful with those fingers. I'll cut off the excess thread. Now to fold the towels in. These pins will hold them in place. One last strip to pin. Now I'll twist them around each other. This is fun. And I'll sew this end together. That's it! I'll tidy up the thread. Next, I'll roll the towel around itself. I'll make it into a large circle. My own handmade rug! It feels so soft. Admit it, you're impressed. I prefer a life of luxury. Woo! That's it! The challenge is over. Thank you, you're a great audience. Didn't they do well? It's been an amazing challenge. Let's look at the room makeovers. Wow, what a difference! A great use of the space. Give it up for the contestants! But there can only be one winner. It's time to cast your votes. Go Jared! Team Sophia! Woo! Marry me, Jared! Please let it be me. The votes are in. And the winner is… Dude, what's your name? It's Jared! Jared! No! I tried my best! This is the best day of my life! Thank you, Kevin! Cheer up, Sophia. You don't go home empty-handed. A golden key? All this is yours. Enjoy it. Whoa! Come on, let's hear it one more time for our amazing host! Woo! Love you! Which room do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.